My name's Julia van der Sommen. I'm the owner of a couple of businesses, Sample Room, which is a product development house for the fashion industry in Australia, and Pattern Room, which is an online pattern catalogue selling patterns all around the world for garment manufacturing. I started my journey with Zoho around 5-6 years ago now. We were looking for a better way to combine mainly our CRM with project management and our systems. And so we looked at a few different platforms, and it appealed to us the different capabilities of Zoho and bring them all together. And so just recently I've looked to fine tune that, and I know that Zoho is always developing further. In our business, we have a number of different projects going on at any one time, roughly around 200 when we're busy, and they're all at very different stages, but it really is a set process throughout. And up until finding Zoho, we tried a number of different things, a big whiteboard, little magnets, and a lot of it had to stay in my head in that project management. But as we expanded, I knew I needed to find a new way, give the team the autonomy to know what they had to do each day without it relying on me. And so it was one of the main reasons why we chose Zoho, was for that project management process. And it's been wonderful to free me up to work more on the business rather than being in the day-to-day organisation for each of the team members. And it means that we don't lose track of items. And the fact that we can update templates as the business evolves is really important too, as we bring in new levels of detail that's needed. And we've recently been incorporating projects with deals to then know how someone's tracking through the process, which helps with our KPIs and to reach the goals that we have for the business. One of my favourite features of projects is the ability to mark ready and assign to a different staff member what their task is. And so when they get in, whether I'm in at work or not, they already know what their task list is for the day, and we can prioritise the urgency of that task as well, which definitely helps in making sure that people do what they need to do each day and nothing gets missed. I especially use TAS within Click to remind myself and to send messages to myself, which is really important when it comes to mind on the weekend, but you don't actually want to action it straight away. So that element of using Click along with projects really enables us to just capture those moments when there is so much involved in the projects that we work on.